Artelo Biosciences surged 94% pre-market on a massive news catalyst. The company announced its compound as a potential companion therapy to GLP-1 weight loss drugs like Ozempic, entered a fully funded clinical study, and withdrew a planned share offering confirming zero dilution. We turn on long mode as the stock gets rejected from $7 and begins to chop for a bit. Price breaks out of the micro pullback and the Algo adds at $6.85, positioning for the break of the $0.50. The setup is clean, and the algorithm is building the position carefully. After a bit more chop, we add through $7.50. The Algo is now loaded and ready to take maximum profit through $8. Price surges up into our max profit zone. The Algo fires its sell order on the bid, but price snaps back so fast the order doesn't get filled. That's why you sell into strength. The limit order stays live. The Algo is patient, but it's also watching closely. If price drifts under our cost basis, it will de-risk immediately to protect what we have. This is the algorithm working exactly as designed. Price finds support right at $7, just above our cost basis. Momentum builds back up, and the take profit finally fills for nearly $2,000 profit in 13 minutes of automated trading. Sadly, I turned my PC off and headed to the driving range. Missed out on a big day as the stock hit $20 by lunch. A green day is a green day, so we can't complain. Learn more at radertrading.com. New trade recap every day, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.